This is my very quick discussion on what we call sorting. And this is one of the good features on Excel. You've got all this information, and sometimes you want to sort it so that you can look at it in a different way. In this case, if you look at what I'm highlighting, I clicked on the 8th row, and I held it down, and I dragged all the information that I want to sort. And at the top, the very top of your screen, there's a word called data. When you click on that, that's where it's going to take us so that we can start to sort this information and organize it. I'm going to show you one sort, but you can literally do this for any piece of information on this column. So everything's highlighted, so keep that. You'll see, you'll click on sort, and then you're going to have some options. And what happens is, if you have headers, and a header means a label above them, it can be a little easier, but we can still do it this way. In this example, I'm going to want to, I want to sort this column E of information, which are the students' grades. So I'm going to E, and I decided, and you can do it either way. You can do it A to Z. You see all these choices. I would simply always keep the sort on of values in your case. And then from column E, we will then choose another column. Then we'll sort it by A, which I know those are just gobbledygook letters. That's to protect people's privacy. But that's a student last name. And so we're going to do that, and then we're going to do it by column B. So you can keep adding these on so it sorts it all, but let's see what happens when I hit OK. At that point, you'll see, and A minus starts at the top, and let's just say that's going to be universal for any Excel. It's not the same. They don't see A plus as the first. Now, if that were a number, a percentage, as you see on the right side of that letter grade, yeah, then it would sort it by 100, obviously. But so that's what you'll always get. So in this case, we sorted the A's, the B's, the C's. Remember, you can choose any column that you want. Perhaps we look at that for that assignment of a test, and we want to see the students and sort it by the smallest. You can see the people who had the lowest grade on the test are now at the top, and the highest scores are at the bottom.